Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making torborsoye. Torborsoye basically consists of water greens, what we call water greens, and it has a texture kind of like spinach but more wild. I can make it fresh right now so I can show you the leaves. I usually get this during farmers market and I slice them up and freeze them. Maybe next farmers market I'll definitely make another video with basically the leaves and me slicing it and all of that. But today I'm going with the frozen one. I have 5 cups in here and I have peppers. I'm making it spicy. You can use 1 whole small onion. I have a large one so I'm using half. 3 garlic cloves, and my seasoning of choice are these: seasoned oil. These I just used some herbs, oregano, toasted garlic, cumin, seasoning base, all-purpose seasoning. Let's get started as I measure all of them. And I just add my blended pepper and stuff.